Hey guys, we are going to jump right into this week's videos. The first video we're going to look at, first of all, I want to say, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are getting used to these videos and learning how to use these videos to help you guys learn and help you guys get to the material and what you're being assessed on. So, one of the things we're going to look at first is a very applicable skill that I use regularly, is we're going to be converting from, let's say, 6 feet 4 inches to 6 point blank, or feet with decimals. So the reason why we like to use feet with decimals is it's much easier to do the operations um, that we normally do with numbers in decimals, things like multiplication, division, because it's not as easy to divide these and multiply these because, well, the units are a little bit different than what we're used to. In feet, inches, we're base 12. In decimal, deci, means we're base 10. So the way we do this is actually really easy. Now, 6 is going to stay our whole number, right? We know we have 6 feet. We just have 6 feet in this other unit, 4 inches, and we need to figure out how we're going to represent that as a decimal. Now, the way we write this out is we have 4 as our desired number here. And then we need to think about, well, how many inches are in a foot? And that would be 12. So we're adding 6 plus 4 over 12. That's going to give us 6 with some decimal value. So this is very, very appropriate. You can use your calculator for this. We want to use that, or you could use your phone. We just do 4 divided by 12. Oh, so 4 divided by 12 is 0.3 repeating. You guys kind of see that off to the side, 0.3 repeating. I'm just going to round that to the nearest hundredth. You can leave it rounded. You could put 6.3 repeating, but since we're trying to represent a length, a lot of times we want to have a terminated decimal. Like if we go to Home Depot and have something cut, we want to make sure we can tell the person who's cutting it needs to be 6.33 feet long if we're talking about a piece of fence or PVC or something like that. Um, let's look at one more. Let's look at 4 feet and let's say 6 inches, right? 4 feet 6 inches. Um, Now, another way you may see this is 4 feet 6 inches like this. This means the exact same thing as saying 4 feet 6 inches. We still want to represent this as a decimal, though. Right, so I need a decimal. Now, again, the easy part here is we can look right to this whole number and know that's what has to be before our decimal. Because if we have 4 feet 6 inches, well, we got to have this 4 as the whole number, right? It's the 6 inches that determines this decimal. Now, again, the way we figure this out is we put 6 over, well, the number of inches in a foot, which is 12. And now I'm sure a lot of you guys were saying from the beginning, Mr. Protocol, this is easy. This is just 4.5, because think 6 inches is half of a foot. And that's exactly right. You'll see that if we do 6 divided by 12, we get 0.5, right? So that means 4 feet 6 inches is 4.5 feet, right? We're going to have to do conversions like this pretty regularly because, well, a lot of the things we're going to be given for special right triangles or proportional triangles have to do with, one, taking something in an actual measurement. When you're given a measurement, you might be given to it in terms of feet and inches. We use that pretty regularly in the United States. Most math work you're going to want to do is going to require decimal. In fact, another reason we want to use decimal is you can't plug in 4 feet 6 inches into this. You have to plug it in as 4.5 feet. So um, Hope this video helped. Let me switch over to the side by side. Hope this video helped. You're going to need this skill in order to answer this week's questions. We're going to be doing operations in a number system setup like this, a more applicable number system. Well, I hope you guys dig the video. Make sure you watch both of these before we meet. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope these are helping. Hope to see you guys soon. All right, well, I'll catch you guys later.